Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good about BTT token, my friends. Welcome. My friends, this video is going to be very important for all of you. Watch this video before end of July month. Because in this video we are going to discuss the July secret tips of the Bittorrent token, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the latest price of the Bittorrent token in the market is 0.002 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the BTT token in the market. And on the other side, my friends, if you look at the 24 hours trading volume, market cap of the BTT token, so every update is present here, my friends. 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the BTT token, my friends. But my friends, you can see here, if you look at the changes of the BTT token, so you can see 24 hours changes and 1 hour changes of the Bittorrent token, BTT token as positive. My friends, I also told you about these changes, my friends, and I know that the changes will become positive in the end of month. Not only BTT token prices become positive, every cryptocurrencies, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba Inu, a lot of cryptocurrencies price will become positive in the end of month. And that's why I'm telling you again and again in my every videos that please hold to the last of month. And nowadays you can see it is the end of month and every cryptocurrencies pricing is positive, my friends. So that's why I recommend for all of you to please hold to the last of month. Now my friends, I recommend for all of you that please hold BTT token to the end of July month. Never sell BTT token before end of July, because I know that BTT token will continue this pump to the end of month, my friends. So never sell, it's a profit time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.